In this video, I will share with you how to install the Zoom app on iPhone. So step one, go to App Store, which is this blue icon, and then this search field and type Zoom. Click on Zoom first in the list, and this is the official Zoom app. It's called Zoom Workplace. Click on Get next to it to start the download. Sometimes the App Store asks you for your iCloud password. Type it, then click on Install. Wait for the download to complete. And once it is completed, click on Open. And this is the Zoom app. Just click on Sign In. If you already have an account, sign up to create one or join meeting. And this is how to install the Zoom app. And of course, you will get a new Zoom app icon in your iPhone homepage. And this is how to install the Zoom app on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.